Life's like a road that you travel on. There's one day here and the next day gone. Sometimes you bend, sometimes you stand, sometimes you turn your back to the wind. There's a world outside every darkened door where blues won't haunt you anymore. With a brave heart, free and lover's soul, come ride with me to the distant shore. We won't hesitate to lay down the garden gate. There's not much time left today. Life is a highway, I wanna ride it all night long. If you're going my way, well, I wanna drive it all night long. Through all these cities and all these towns, it's hit my blood and it's all around. I love you now like I loved you then. This is the road and these are the haters. From Mozambique to those Memphis nights, the Cabo Pass to Vancouver's lights. And knock me down back up again. You're in my blood, I'm not a lonely man. There's no road I can hold, the road's so rough, this I know. I'll be there when the light comes in. Just tell me we're survivors. If you're going my way, I wanna drive it all night long. Give me